Hello students, let us start our lessons for today, class 4. And as you know, we will be discussing about the solar system. So let's see. So this is how our universe looks like. Okay, in the middle there is the sun. Let's start the lesson by going near the sun. Let's go near the sun and then let's find out about the solar system. So as we've discussed earlier, the solar system means the family of the sun. And all the solar systems are made up of objects that revolves or moves around the sun. So let's go deeper and find out. And as you have seen, this is our solar system. And when it comes to solar system, the sun is the head and around is their planet. So we'll discuss them one by one. Let us try and understand a little bit about the sun. So what is sun? The sun is a glowing ball of gases like a light bulb. Okay, the light bulb, it glows since there's gas present in it. So as the sun has got the gases like hydrogen gases, which turns into helium gases, and this process of turning hydrogen gases into helium gases is called a nuclear fusion. So this process gives us the sun. Sun will die one day, as if when its fuel or the gases will burn out, but as if now the sun will give us light and heat for about 5 million years. So this is about the sun. So let us discuss about the planets. I will discuss about the planet one by one, but let us first get some basic knowledge about the planets. Let us see the planet that is closest to the sun. So Mercury, as you've seen here, Mercury is the planet that is closest to the sun. The next is the Venus. Third is our planet Earth. Okay, the planet Earth. And the fourth is the Mars. And then we have the Jupiter, Saturn, Pluto, Neptune, and Uranus. So in total there are around 8 planets. We'll discuss each of the planet one by one. But first of all, you must be wondering about the line that is circling around the sun. Okay, these lines are called the axis or the path through which the planets will revolve around the sun. Like the Earth has got its own axis, Mercury has got its own axis, Venus has got its own axis, and other planets like Jupiter, Saturn, they have their own axis. As you can see from here, Pluto, the axis increased from Mercury. Okay, since Mercury is the closest to the planet, closest to the sun, it has got the smallest axis, and then it goes on increasing. Let us discuss about the planets now. Let us first, as I've said, there are 8 planets. There is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let us first discuss about Neptune, but for now you can see the structure of the Mercury. Okay, so this is the structure of the Mercury. Gold inside, little bit brownish out in the middle, and then totally ash color outside. So these are basically rocks. Okay, and golden color first on the crust, that is on the front part it has got the silicic rock, and in the mantle there is again the solid, very hard silicic rocks, and then the next is the molten, very hot iron inside. Let us know a little bit more in detail about Mercury. So Mercury, let's start by night. Temperature at night is minus 182 degrees Celsius. That is when the face of the Mercury is not turning towards the sun. its temperature is around 183 degrees Celsius, and the temperature during the daytime, that is when the Mercury is turning towards the sun, it's around 473 degree Celsius. Let me just show you in detail about what I've said just now. Okay, solar system. Let's go to Mercury. Okay, so you see here Mercury, this part, okay, this part, as you can see, completely dark now. This part, which means the Mercury is not facing towards the sun, so this part the temperature is minus 182 degrees Celsius, which means it is very very cold. Now this will be considered as the during the daytime is facing during the it's facing the sun. You can see from here, so this temperature is very very hot, that is around 473 degrees Celsius. So let us go a little bit deep inside the Mercury, and then we'll move on to the next planet that is closest to the sun. Okay, let us see. At the meantime, you will be getting some assignment also to draw some planet or to get some facts about the